Hey there! If you've been thinking about making a big change to your home, you've definitely come to the right place. Today we're going to take a look inside Kolmo Construction, a company that's all about making your home's future a reality.
Okay, so let's just get right into it. You've got this incredible vision for your home, right? A brand new kitchen, maybe finally finishing that basement. The excitement's there, for sure. But there's also that little voice in the back of your head that's kind of worried, is this whole thing going to be a total nightmare? And yeah, we get it. Trying to juggle the budget, wondering if things will ever finish on time, and just trying to figure out what's going on, it can be a lot. Your dream project really shouldn't feel like a second full-time job.
But what if it didn't have to be that way? Seriously. Imagine having a real partner by your side, a fully licensed and bonded expert whose whole deal is being super clear, communicating constantly, and delivering amazing craftsmanship. Well, that's exactly what Kolmo is all about.
So, you might be asking, how do we make that happen? Well, here's our secret sauce. We blend old-school construction know-how with smart tech. What does that mean for you? It means you get clear, easy-to-understand digital estimates right from the get-go, and you get real-time updates as we go. No more guessing games. You're never, ever left in the dark. So how do we actually deliver on that promise of a smooth project? We've worked really hard to dial in our process. We've got it down to a super simple, totally transparent 4-step plan. It's basically our roadmap to take you from that first idea to your amazing new space.
It all kicks off with step 1, the consultation. This is where we just sit down and listen. We want to hear all about your vision and talk through the budget. Step 2 is design. We take everything we learned and create detailed plans for you to look over and approve. Then, the fun part, construction. Our amazing crew gets to work. And finally, step 4 is completion. We do a final walkthrough with you to make sure every last detail is absolutely perfect.
All right, so what kind of projects can we actually help you bring to life? Well, our team is packed with expertise, so we can handle all sorts of projects, big and small.
So whether you're dreaming of a sleek, modern kitchen, or maybe a bathroom that feels more like a spa, or you finally want to reclaim your garage, we've got you covered. We also do beautiful flooring, whole home remodels, and we love creating incredible outdoor living spaces.
Okay, check this out. This slide pretty much says it all. This is from a real garage project we did. On the left, you see the before, just chaotic clutter. And on the right, a clean, organized, showroom-quality workspace. It just goes to show you the amazing potential that's hiding in plain sight in your home.
But don't just take my word for it. I think the absolute best way to know what we're about is to hear directly from the homeowners we've had the pleasure of working with. Take Sarah and David Johnson. We remodeled their kitchen and they said our team was professional, detail-oriented, and this is a big one, we stayed on schedule. We know your time is valuable, and we totally respect that.
And then there's Michael Rodriguez. For his master bathroom reno, it was all about the little things. He pointed out that we were really attentive to his needs, and that our attention to detail was, and I'm quoting here, unmatched. That's the bar we set for ourselves on every job.
And the feedback just keeps pouring in. Mohammed K. loved our competitive pricing and that we stayed on schedule and within budget. Oriana P. highlighted our excellent communication throughout the entire project. And Samuel G. just thought we were friendly to work with and had excellent punctuation. Price, communication, professionalism. These are the things we build our reputation on.
You know, when it's all said and done, it boils down to this one simple idea. This isn't just our job site, it's your home. And it isn't just our project, it's our project. We're partners in this, building the future you see for your home together. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take that next step? If you're ready to stop dreaming and start making your remodel a reality without all the stress and headaches, we'd love to chat. Give us a call for a totally free consultation. Let's start building something amazing together.